In this tutorial, we're going to talk about Torna Mesa. Torna Mesa means turntable in Spanish. In Torna Mesa, I decided to make a real thing. I sampled over 100 records because they have different clicks, crackles, with different needles, with different drops. So you can mix and match and make your perfect background noise with clicks and crackles. But more than that, you can use all those sounds and make melodies with them. With these controls right here, fixing the start, the end, the attack, and the release, you can make melodic sounds. Depends on how you got the start and the end. This release will act like a reverb. We have the level. We have the play mode. Here you can listen to the sample, so you can edit right here. As soon as you finish your edit, you click back off, and then you start playing. Here you load the sounds. This record, you hit them, and the sample folder will open with the 3 different folders I got here. In this help button, it will send you straight to what you're doing right now, to the tutorials. It will be in Spanish and English. In this picture, you click on it, and it will send you again to my webpage, where you can get discounts, information about us, new products that are coming, and our line of products. Every update of Torna Mesa will be free forever. So we start adding more sounds to make more crazy music. Now let's start to see what Torna Mesa can do. Let's start with the basics. I'm going to show you a couple of different clicks and crackles that I have and needle drops. You can control the start so the needle drop don't start again. Just got it right here. See, it doesn't come back. Okay, so let's move on. So how we make this melodic? So let me get let's get a hiss. And the way I loop it is intentional. We want to create something when we edit here that make a certain wave. So you see how the release works? So you see how the release? It's because the more I did the release, the more it repeats right here. So let's move on to the last part of this tutorial. I take a couple of sounds that I recorded from Torna Mesa and make it sound like I turn on the turntable, I grab the arm, I clean the needle, I drop the needle, the record start playing, and in some part, this loop that I have here, it will start jumping like the record is scratched. But the whole idea is that because it's jumping, that's the loop that I make the beat out. So let's see how it sounds. It's a little simple, but it's everything for the purpose of the tutorial. That's the scratch record. So there you have it. It's those little things that you can do in an edit that can help a song to give a different vibe, personalize it, not just making a beat or making a loop simple. You can add these little touches and make it better. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Future updates of Torna Mesa will have more sounds. I'm working on combining different type of frequencies and sounds. So thank you for checking Wepa Audio. And this is DJ Alex, and I'm out.